Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her. Chapter 32, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Mengyan and Gusing. The two of them are get off the party. Well, they really want to run away. Because of Renka is getting crazy. Right now, Mengyan really need to protect Gusing. Gusing is not feeling well, especially, but right now, she really need to protect her. So Ferenka never provoked them and followed them. Since Gusing is not feeling well, she was asking Mengyan, where did you get these broken medicines? Why does it react so quick? Right now, oh, sisters punish me as much as you can. Oh, it turns out right now, she's losing her patience and said, punish me? Help me first. Of course, right now, she don't feel well. Well, Mengyan, right now, she said to her, do you really not want to go to the hospital? If I go to the hospital to induce vomiting now, I'm afraid that the person will find out. Stop talking nonsense. Do you do it? Or not? Right now, Mengyan, looking at this, she looks really silly. Well, she must be thinking something against Gusing. This is what my sisters asked for. Mengyan said to her, it's so soft, my sister's tongue is completely different from the words you speak. Less nonsense and go in a little more. Oh, Mengyan, she's getting crazy. Right now, I want to feel her uncomfortable more. Well, she really is. She's not thinking well. Well, maybe she really want to punish Gusing. As of the moment, Gusing, looking at her, after a long talk, she was still coughing right now. Looking at her, her face is really turning red. Well, maybe because of the pain and also shyness. She looks really pitiful. My sister didn't eat anything in the afternoon. Right now, Gusing said, continue. But acid reflux can injure my sister's esophagus. Oh, it turns out like this. She was still concerned about Gusing's condition. That's why Mengyan, she was really eagerly want to help her. Oh, this is bad. It's really self-induced. Right now, she was trying to calm herself. Then, I'll do it myself. Oh, it was really hurt. Looking at her, right now, she vomited again. Probably, it was really hard for her. Now, Gusing, she was really hissing. Maybe because it was really painful. Of course, right now, Mengyan, trying to stop her. What is sisters doing? Not even close. Gusing said to her, even it is to induce the vomiting. Gusing, right now, she really looks pitiful. Also, she's trying to break away from Mengyan. It has nothing to do with you. Well, also, she's losing her patience. Maybe because of the pain, that's why she's been too arrogant. Dizziness, dryness, burning, pain, nausea. It was the first time I felt so deeply. This was my body. Well, she looks really strange. Also right now, my life now, I'm not a bystander. Pain, uncomfortable, and lives and breathes off because of the drugs. Well, probably when she take off, right now she was really suffering. Also, right now, Mengyan is tying her up. Probably she want to tie her because she don't need to hurt herself anymore. Well, right now, what can I say? My sister is mine. Oh, she really want to get punished. But right now, Mengyan, she's getting crazy over her. So right now, I will never allow anyone to hurt my sister. Oh, she was really sweet girl, and no one's gonna think. Especially hearing this right now. Gusing, she seems to be surprised. Since I have done such irresponsible things, I won't be polite, Mengyan said to her. Oh, it turns out it was really getting crazy now. You have to hold back, Mengyang said to her. But looking at Kusings, even though she was really in pain, she don't want to go to the hospital. Well, probably. After the two of them, the young masters Muyang, I'm going to find them. Right now, she went out just to find the two of them. Well, she seems to be serious about finding. They didn't look right just now. Maybe we're really in trouble. Muyang said to Sally. Right now, of course, Sally. She will really stop her. Now Sally is taking orders, and right now, she wants to be alone with Muyang. Person said yes. Oh, finally, young master. Want to go and rush finally the two girls. Bodyguards have already gone to find him. Masters, please wait for the news at home and don't catch a cold. Oh, right now, Sally. It seems that Muyang, she was really sure about herself. No, young master, they have no old grudges before. Even though she really tried hard just to convince Mayang, right now, Sally, don't need you to make decisions for me. No, you must follow me. This is the care the love and mother gave me, and it's also your sincere considerations for me. Now, Mayang, she become adult. I'm very grateful to you, but as I grow up, I'm willing to take responsibility and want to try half a go. Well, definitely she was right. Now, she was in the stage of adulthood. That's why she became free. Right now, Sally, you'd be proud of me, right? Of course, right now, Sally. Seeing Muyang wants to become independent, you stay and rest. I'll ask the doctor to bandage it for you, and then have a good sleep. Now, Muyang, she was really concerned about her. We'll also find out who is behind this provoking Provenka. Oh, right now. She become really great person, especially want to know a lot of things, especially this kind of deceasing game. I will not let such a traitor go. Yang was really convinced that she really need to find the traitor. So right now, she want to tell to Sally. But looking at Sally, seems to be she was really plotting something. Maybe she is helping Porenka subdue Yang so they can really control her. He said, okay, finally this girl. She was smiling mischievous. Before you go, come upstairs with me. I prepared something for you. Oh, I feel something strange on this. Well, let's hope there's no bad thing will happen to them. Especially for Moyang. Sally is getting crazy and maybe she's helping Porenka to subdue her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support this channel, you can join by clicking the join membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Bye!